If you're using QuickBooks to manage your business finances, activating payroll is the next step to paying your team accurately and on time. Here's how to activate QuickBooks Payroll in just a few steps. First, log into your QuickBooks online account. From the left-hand menu, click on Payroll. If you have already subscribed, you'll be prompted to choose a payroll plan like Core, Premium, or Elite. Select the one that fits your business and complete the purchase. Once your plan is active, QuickBooks will guide you through the setup. You'll need to enter your business details, including your EIN, business address, or pay schedule. Next, add your employees. This includes their contact information, pay rate, tax details, and how they want to be paid. Then connect your business bank account so QuickBooks can handle direct deposits and tax payments. After verifying your account, you can run a test payroll or start scheduling pay runs based on your pay cycle. And that's it. QuickBooks Payroll is now activated and ready to automate your employee payments, tax filings, and year-end forms all in one place. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe for more small business tips, and comment below if you want to walk through when running your first payroll or setting up automatic tax payments.